on why it's very careful when you use soft wax, that you pay attention to hair growth direction. I didn't see the little tiny hairs that were growing in the opposite direction. That's exactly why they didn't pull. Soft wax, like it's very, very important that your hair goes in the same direction, because it will not, one, pull up, two, it will break the hair. So what I did was I cleaned it off, and these are growing down and these are growing up. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to hit it with some hard wax and get those little baby areas out. Now, if I could hold my skin more taut because I prepped my skin properly, yes, with that soft wax, you can go over that area and just that area one more time, because I prepped my skin very, very good. And I mean very good. And I'm not prone to ingrowns. However, I'm not going to do that because I can't hold my skin taut, and I already am going to bruise, which for me is normal. Even when I get it done by my esthetician, I bruise. It just happens. It is what it is. Don't mind the mess in the back. I do not use those lashes anymore, so they're just kind of chilling. Miriam's pretty small. All right, and then we're going to go over here and do the same thing on this little area. Okay. And I'm going to stagger both of these. And the reason why I'm using the hard wax in the opposite direction is to pull those little baby hairs up. Okay? If it was my initial pull, then no, I would not do that, because that would break the hair. So listen carefully. I got them. I know you guys see them. And I know you can see the length. That was a dumb thing to do. Put a black glove in the background. I'm trying to show you guys the length. There we go. See the length? They were in there. I got them out. I'm talking about in it. Ready? And now my armpits are nice and smooth. And when I tell you no plucking needed, I mean no plucking needing. But I am bruised.